Here's a quick video to show you how easily you can gently remove CND Plexigel. For this process, an e-file or hand file can be used along with CND Offly Fast remover. Now, depending upon the thickness of the product and the duration of wear, the whole removal process can take up to 30 minutes. But remember to let your remover products do their job. Don't try to speed through the removal process. Natural nail damage commonly occurs through improper removal of nail coatings. Maintaining the client's natural nail health not only increases the integrity of that natural nail, but it also ensures longevity of future manicuring services. A healthy nail creates an ideal foundation for any nail coatings. And at-home care that your clients do will also create that longevity for future manicuring services. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at KAY_912 and at Pink Pro Beauty Supply.